Hello everyone, I am Kajal and today we are going to discuss the next chapter of the 10th class students. So today we are going to discuss excretory system chapter of the 10th class. So let us begin with this chapter. Firstly, we will discuss about the term excretion. What do you mean by excretion? Excretion means to expel out waste from our body. You know, in our body the number of systems are there that are working in our body, and during that work that kind of waste is also generating in our body. So what is the function of excretory system? Excretory system expel out that waste from our body. That is the function of excretory system. So that is the meaning of excretion word. Excretion means expel out waste from our body. Now excretory system is the system that is working to expel out this waste from our body. There are the different organs that are the part of excretory system, and by that way the excretory system works in our body. So what kind of a waste is generating in our body? Let us discuss about that. Firstly, there are different kind of waste. We will discuss firstly about the carbon dioxide and water. Now you know that in our respiratory system we are inhaling oxygen and we are exhaling carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a kind of waste that our lungs are expelling out from our body. So that is a kind of a waste. So the carbon dioxide is coming out from our body. Next is water. How the water is coming out from our body? You know that the sweat is coming out from our body, and with that sweat excess water as well as the uric acid and excess salt, means the nitrogenous waste, is also coming out from our body. And as well as in the with the nitrogenous basis some kind of proteins are also there, and that proteins are synthesizing in our body and converting in the form of amino acids as well as the glucose, and afterward their breakdown takes place, and some are coming out from our body with the urination process and some are used by our body for the other processes. Next is excess salts. Excess salts are, if the excess salt is accumulated in our body, that is a kind of a poison in our body, means sodium chloride. If it is accumulated in excess amount, that is a kind of a poison in our body. So that excess salts are also coming out from our body as a urine or as a in the form of sweat too. Next is the bile pigments. The bile generation takes place in our liver, and bile is giving color to our faces as well as to our urine too. And in the if we talk about the bile pigments are yellowish in color due to the bilirubin pigment, and in that the hemoglobin as well as the RBCs are breaking down, and due to the breakdown of that RBCs, the urine as well as our fecal matter is getting its color. Okay, so these kind of substances are eliminated from our body, and now we will discuss that which kind of organs are helpful for expelling out these kind of wastes. There are 4 type of organs that are working in the excretory system. So first is the liver, kidneys, lungs and skin. So these are our 4 parts excretory organs. First is the liver. Now what is the function of liver? Liver is responsible to in the liver, if we talk about the liver, in the liver the RBCs are breaking down, and as well as the bile pigment is generating. So this bile pigment and RBCs are giving color to our urine as well as to the fecal matter too. So we had discussed as I told you. Next one, the kidneys. Kidneys are responsible to filter our blood and to expel out the waste, excess salts, excess urea, uric acid and the other products that are excess in amount in our blood. The kidneys are filtering it out as well as expelling out these wastes in the form of urine from our body. Next, lungs. Lungs are responsible to expel out the carbon dioxide from our body. And skin part, from the skin, the sweat in the form of sweat, the urea, uric acid, excess salts are coming out from our body. So this is the function of the excretory organs. So these are the 4, and by that way they are working and they are expelling out the waste from our body that is generating in our body. Next thing, we are going to discuss about the kidneys in detail. Now how the kidneys are working, what are the parts of the kidneys, we will discuss in detail. Kidneys. What is the shape of the kidneys? Kidneys are like the the kidneys are bean shaped and they are about 10 centimeter long and 6 centimeter wide. They are located in the each side of our backbone and protected by our last two ribs. In our body, in our chest cavity, the ribs are present. Normally 13 pair of ribs. In an adult, 11 ribs are present, 11 pair of ribs, but in the exception to 13 pair of ribs are present. The last two ribs are responsible to protect our kidneys. So they are protecting the kidneys. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left one. Now we will discuss about the kidneys and their parts. Here is the diagram of the kidneys. See, this is the kidney. One kidney we are going to discuss. The outer part of the kidney is known as the cortex and the inner one is known as the medulla part. And in the kidneys, the renal artery is entering, and this is responsible for the entry of the blood in the kidneys, and renal vein is there, that is taking the blood out from the kidney. Next, renal pelvis. Now what do you mean by renal pelvis? When the filtration takes place in the kidney, the function of renal pelvis to take that filter out from the kidney and send it to the ureter, and with the help of ureter, this filter is going to the urinary bladder, and by the urinary bladder through the urethra, that is coming out in the form of urine from our body. So it is responsible to send the ureter is responsible to send urine out from the kidneys. Here in the medulla part, if we talk about the medulla part, the papillas are present. Papillas means the cone shaped projections are there that are known as the papillas. The outer ending of that is known as papilla, and these cone shaped are known as the pyramids. So these are the pyramids, and outer one is known as the papilla, and papilla is joined or connected with the pelvis. Okay, and by that way the excretion, after excretion, the waste is coming out from the kidneys. So this was my topic. Hope you understood. Thank you very much.